Do you want to learn how to make easy AI videos that get millions of views and earn you money? There's an Instagram page with 1.5 million followers doing just that. He uses simple AI to create videos, and now I'm going to show you how to do it too. It uses AI to convert the image into a video and upload it to our Instagram page. And there is no voice over in the video, just trending music. They can also find up from Instagram. Check out this other Instagram page that's making similar videos and getting millions of views. In this video, I'll teach you how to create videos like these using free AI tools. And this 2 TikTok pages that are making money from the TikTok Creativity Program. There is no competition in this niche, so you can get millions of views. You can make money from TikTok Creativity Program by uploading videos. You can also make money on Instagram. I will show you how to make passive income from Instagram by uploading videos. Watch until the end for a special surprise. Let's get started. First, go to Leonardo AI. Sign up and log in. You will see a screen. Click on your image, and you will see another screen. From there, select Cinematic and choose your ratio 9:16. Next, paste this prompt. You can find the prompt link in the description. Click on Generate It. If the result isn't good, you can try again until you're happy with it. Next, go to a special website. I will tell you about this website in last. Sign up and log in with Google. Click on Sign in with Google and complete the sign up process. You will see an interface like this. Now upload the image you downloaded from Leonardo AI. After uploading, you need to upload your first frame, any photo you downloaded from Leonardo. Paste the prompt in the given field. The link to the prompt in description. Click the generated. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes to create the video, so please wait patiently. In the meantime, like this video and subscribe to the channel. As you can see, our video is ready. But wait, don't leave yet. There's more to do. Your video might not be engaging enough yet. To make it more interesting, I'll provide you with more prompts. You can use these to generate unlimited images. So I am going to teach you how to do this. First, open Google Chrome. Go to the Chrome Web Store and download a screenshot tool. After you download it, add it to Chrome. Next, go to your Instagram page. If you want to screenshot an image, you need to leave the screen. Click on the extension you added to Chrome. Select the area of the image you want. Save it. Your image will be downloaded. Give your image a name and save it. Next, go to ChatGPT. Add your image and use the prompt, "Describe this image." Click Enter. ChatGPT will describe the image. Then, go to Leonardo AI. Enter the prompt and click the Generate button. I will generate a good image using Leonardo AI. After generating, come to this AI tool. Upload your first scene and last scene. Copy and paste the same prompt here. Click on the Generate button. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes for the upload to complete. Your video will be ready. As you can see, our video is ready, and you didn't have to make much effort. I have made over 50 prompts for you. The link is in the description. Click on it, and you will land on a page with these prompts. Use the first and second prompts to create your video, as I showed you before. No extra effort needed. Please like and subscribe to the channel. With these prompts, you can get amazing results using Leonardo AI. It's very easy and amazing. I have already made a prompt for you, so subscribe to the channel and like the video. This way, you can create images like these. You just need to copy and paste the prompts. Download the images from Leonardo AI. After generating, download them and come to this website. Upload the image here. After uploading, upload 2 images here. Next, paste this prompt. I have given this second prompt on the same website. It will start making your video. I have made 3 videos so far. 2 videos turned out amazing, and 1 was not good. So, our video is ready. It takes less than 5 minutes to get ready. As you can see, our video is amazingly ready. The LumaLabs.ai gave amazing results, and you can use it for free. So, how do you edit the video? First, open your video editing software, like CapCut. Import the file you created, LumaLabs.ai. Then, cut the parts you don't want and move the clips around. To upload your video on Instagram, go to the app and find trending music. Add this music to your reel, and you could get millions of views. Now, how can you make money from your AI video? You can create and sell t-shirts with AI-generated images. Put the image on the front of the t-shirt and sell it. You could earn $1,000 from Instagram. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to the channel.